Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're diving into the absolute best preparation strategy for conquering the HCL DOM AADM-12 exam. Now, if you're aiming for this, the HCL Software Certified Associate Administrator exam for Notes in Domino 12, you already know it's no walk in the park. It requires a serious level of qualification. But what if I told you that using the right simulation tools can completely transform how you study and get you totally ready for test day? So get this. Believe it or not, right around 50% of candidates actually fail this exam. I know, right? But here is the truly fascinating part. That massive failure rate is primarily due to anxiety and just a lack of confidence, not necessarily a lack of technical knowledge. The pressure literally just gets to people. But hey, you won't be a part of that statistic if you prepare correctly.
Okay, let's take a quick look at our roadmap for today. We'll be covering 1. The certification challenge, 2. Tools for exam success, 3. Customizing your practice, 4. Mobile and offline learning, and finally, 5 2-steps to pass. Let's jump right in.
First up, Section 1, the certification challenge. Look, we really need to bridge that gap between an unpredictable, stressful exam room and a comfortable study space. By transforming a super intimidating environment into a totally familiar experience through rigorous simulator practice, you directly tackle the anxiety that trips so many people up. It is an absolute game changer.
Moving right along to Section 2, tools for exam success.
The crucial thing to grasp here is the difference between your two main tools. On one hand, you've got exam mode. This gives you a highly realistic dry run, simulating the exact length and difficulty of the actual test. Then, on the flip side, you have practice mode. This is your playground for a fully customized study experience, letting you surgically target your weak spots. Plus, the simulator arms you with some fantastic efficiency features to speed up your study sessions. I'm talking about learning mode to instantly see correct answers, auto-scroll for super easy reading, and a totally invaluable bookmark button. Seriously, use that bookmark feature to save the absolute toughest questions. It lets you review them later and really learn from your mistakes.
All right, Section 3, customizing your practice.
You can rigorously tailor your practice sessions to fit exactly what you need. You can tweak the test duration all the way up to the full 120 minutes of the real exam. You can set your passing score to that official 80% threshold, and you can even tackle anywhere from 8 to 50 tests at a time to really nail down your pacing. And it gets better. You actually have the power to select specific custom topics right from a drop-down menu. It honestly works a lot like a flashcard app. This ensures you aren't wasting your precious study time rehashing areas you've already mastered. You focus strictly on the domains where you need the most help. Next up, Section 4, mobile and offline learning. Because let's face it, you aren't always chained to a desk, right? Well, the platform offers an incredibly fluid mobile app for both iOS and Android. And the absolute best part, it works completely offline. You can practice literally anywhere on the go, and it seamlessly syncs all your progress, including your percentage scores and performance analytics, right back to the online web simulator the second you reconnect. Which brings us to Section 5, 2 steps to pass. It really all boils down to these 2 foundational steps. Step 1, map out your knowledge gaps by carefully reviewing the specific exam topics. Step 2, ruthlessly take those multiple-choice mock exams in both practice and exam modes. That is how you build your test-taking muscles and learn to budget your time like a pro. So, knowing that a structured, simulated approach is literally the ultimate cure for exam anxiety, what step are you going to take today to conquer the HCL DOM AADM-12? To get started, I highly recommend checking out easyquizzes.com for your prep. By taking full advantage of both their online web simulator and their mobile app, you'll have absolutely everything you need to beat that 50% failure statistic. Are you ready to walk into test day and own